It's now time for our weekly nameless social show, and I hope you're sitting comfortably. We have a great show lined up for you today. Firstly, can I just say we have nearly over 400 followers on LinkedIn now. Woohoo! I am now on a mission to get us to 500 really quickly, and when we have reached 500, I'm going to hand deliver some MTD magnets to your place. Very nice! And I'll bring Colin as well, because someone has to drive. So how exciting is that? I know you're thinking, gee whiz, this sounds like the opportunity of a lifetime, and I want to share with you just how happy our magnets make our fans. Check out this clip of Andy from Bedford CNC, where I caught him in action magnetise over our magnets. Andy, what are you doing?
I'm playing with the magnets. I love magnets, especially the MTD magnets.
Colin and I went over to RK Engineering this week, and I reckon the parts they're making are super artistic. Van Gogh would have been super proud. Check out this montage. Ooh la la. C'est magnifique. Send me in your pictures of your artistic parts and have them featured on this show. This week on Gina Asks, I'm asking, what is a parts catcher? Paul breaks this down for us in just under a minute.
This is an educational video about a parts catcher on a turning centre. For this video, we're using a Huachon QTEX 160B, available from stock here at Ward High Tech in the UK. So what is a parts catcher? Well, you can see here, as the name denotes, this will catch parts out of the chuck or when they're released from the chuck jaws. The beauty of this solution is that you don't have to reach into the machine, you can automate the cycle. A part will come out of the chuck jaws into the parts catcher. The parts catcher will then eject the component into a parts bin, as I close this door, and then the operator can safely remove the part from the parts bin. This means that you can machine in an automated fashion, and you can do production components without having to continually open the door and take parts out of the chuck. This is an educational video on a parts catcher on a turning centre.
Thanks, Paul. Some great point raised on parts catcher. Other benefits include that it is an... I've got to try it again, from top. Some other benefits include that it's an economical solution for accumulating parts that do not damage themselves when coming into contact with each other, making it smoother and more efficient in the engineering process and manufacturing of your parts. Now it's time for...
Blast from the Past!
Yay! This blast from the past is at Webster and Bennett. It's a beast of a machine, but still going strong. It has a turning diameter of up to 48 inches and will take components weighing up to 7 tons. So that's lighter than Colin, isn't it? It is used at MJ Allen to complement their extensive range of machines. This machine is currently turning large dishes for the medical industry. Shall I do that again? Okay.
We're at MJ Allen Castings and Machinery now. These guys are absolutely fantastic, investing all the time in new machines. They've got Dugards, Hellers, Doossons, Johnfords, all sorts, but we found tucked away at the back and still going strong, this Webster and Bennett VTL. Look at this, obviously in regular use, you can see the swarf here everywhere, but the table here is diameter 48 inches. Now I won't do the metrics on that, but I'm thinking about 120 centimetres, very roughly. Correct me if I'm wrong. This will take components up to 6 to 7 tons. And they've actually got another version of this, because this is a manual one. They've got a CNC one which will take up to 9 tons, but tooling wise, one tool at a time just in there. Now they've got the Capto quick change system for their tooling. So chip to chip, about 5 minutes, but there you go, look at that. So one tool at a time. Now let's sneak around the back here. Come on, Chris, my cameraman. Now the controls on a counterbalance there, so nice and easy for me to use, honestly. So your rapid, your feed, as it says there, coolants on and off. Basically a nice simple control, even I could probably work that one. And then round the back here, just speed of your table there, so up to 187. They don't normally work it that hard, but around about 137.5 RPM. So that's it, your Webster and Bennett, an absolute classic. Oh, how old is it? We're looking at the 1980s, but as I said earlier, still going strong and in regular use.
There you have it, 1980s and still going strong. Thanks, Colin. We always enjoy a blast from the past, but more recently, Colin has sent me this poll that he wants me to put out on socials to all you machinists. He reckons he has nailed the machinist essentials and what they includes. Check out this clip.
Right, I want my social media guru, Gina, to do a poll, but this time get the question right, Gina, because last time we did a poll, I lost because she got the flipping question right. We're at Mail and Engineering this time. We're going to do Engineers Essentials, but I do want to showcase quickly some of the parts I manufacture here. Hydraulic component, critical. Now, in there, down the bore, 15 micron tolerance and 0.4 RA finish, so essentially mirror finish if my master of camera can get that. Probably not, it's a bit tricky, but we will try. Anyway, inlet valves for a Lotus, flywheel for a Lotus on a Ford engine, so some nice tricky components there, but the reason for this is a poll. So, Engineers Essentials. First of all, MTD magnets, got to be an essential part of any high quality machine shop, and they've got to be MTD magnets, a proper quality magnet. Second, and this is where Gina's failed last time, blue tack or plasticine on your CMM, an absolute essential every time. And last but not least, if you've got those tricky splinters in your fingers or wherever it may end up, you do need another essential, some tweezers. If tweezers are not available, a vernier will do. So, Gina, I want a poll to go out. Are those three, magnets, tweezers, plasticine or blue tack, essentials in an engineering machine shop? Yes or no? I'm going to win this time.
Okay. Just like plucking. There we go. Okay. So there you have it. Colin's asking if tweezers, magnets and plasticine are the machinist essentials. Have your say on our socials. I say no, but have your say on our socials and let me know whether they are machinist essentials. It's less than 80 days till MAC. Let me know if you're going. We can have a selfie there. I will also be at Southern Manufacturing Electronics in February, so make sure that you let me know that you're going there and we can also get a selfie and you can feature on this fantastic, I can't decide on the show name, show. Anyways, that's all from me this week. Stay social and I'll see you later. Again, woohoo!